Asus Vivobook E203MA thin and lightweight 11.6 HD laptop. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. I am loving IT. I've first been intrigued to purchase by the price of this laptop and somewhat disappointed when I first started using it, but the more I used it the more I fell in love with it. For the most part this laptop is a perfect secondary computer for web browsing, simple word processing, and video streaming. It was exactly what I was looking for. I like how it's ultra portable so I don't have to lug my heavier laptops with me when I'm on the go. It's also budget friendly so it's not too hard on the wallet if anything were to happen. More importantly, it runs full Windows, comes with S mode, but you can switch to full Windows 10 Home for free, so it's more capable than my iPad in some aspects. It's also decked out with the latest I/O ports USB 3.0 and USB-C. Yes, it only has 32 GB of storage, but I added a micro SD card so storage isn't a problem. Don't be scared by the 2 GB of RAM, it's enough given Windows' excellent management of memory. The new N4000 processor is slick compared to the slow N3060 it replaced. It's overall a very zippy computer and I won't let it leave my commuter backpack. Definitely recommend this awesome machine. Compared to all the laptops which I have owned previously, this little one has the best value. It is light to carry around and perfect for browsing and doing some works. It came with Windows S mode that could be switched out to Windows 10. Be sure that you have updated with Microsoft Store to do this. In S mode, you can't install apps or software outside of the store. Yes, 32 GB HD is not a lot of space and you do need to be mindful about storage usage. It is easy to monitor storage usage with the Windows Storage tool. After uninstalling most games and unwanted apps/software, performing updates and installing Office 365, I still have about 10 GB free space. With microSD expansion, storing files is really not an issue. Although I have used Chrome browser in the past, I find using Edge to be smoother and faster than Chrome on this laptop. Keyboard is easy and nice to type. The laptop starts fast and the fully charged battery lasts about 8 to 9 hours. Overall, I am impressed and could not be happier with this purchase. Come on, for about $150, I could get pretty much what I need to do on all the laptops I have owned in the past. This is my impression and experience after having it for 2 days and I will update if necessary. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.